Another reason why you should get into the business of ready-to-wear is that there is a growing demand for ready-to-wear outfits. I can assure you that the demand has not even reached its peak. It is still at its infancy. There is an extremely growing demand for ready-to-wear outfits. There is a consumer that are ready to buy your product. I'm into this business, so I can assure you that. You see, things are getting fast and faster every day. People are beginning to move fast and faster. There's a growing market to order something and get it instantly, rather than waiting for a tailor to go to the market, buy the material, blah 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 blah, all those sluggish things, right? There is a growing demand for fast and delivery. Whether you're doing the English ready to wear, maybe shirts, short knicker, trousers, blah blah, all those things, or you are doing the traditional ready to wear outfits, I can assure you that there is a demand and consumer for those products, because I am in it. And you might wonder, why am I teaching you? Why can't I just sit down there and make all of the money? There is over 230 million people in Nigeria. I cannot satisfy all of them. Now, I know, I'm very much aware of the fact that I cannot satisfy all the 230 million people in Nigeria. There's over 4 billion people in the world. I cannot satisfy all of them. So I need you, and I need to help you so you can help me. See, we are doing, it's a transaction. I don't know how to put it. I just need to help you. Regardless of if you help me or not, I just need to help you. I am here that's what I'm going to die eventually. I cannot carry my knowledge to my grave. I have to give it to somebody. If you are the one that gets it, great. I'm blessed. I want you to get into this business because there is money to be made in this business. And I'm going to teach you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to see, don't worry. That's the second reason why you should get into this business. There is a growing demand that is still in its infancy, and we've not even reached anywhere. We've not even reached anywhere talking of the peak. We are still at its infancy of ready to wear, both traditional and English. In Africa, in the world in general, nobody will do this business and tell me that it is not profitable. Only if you don't have the knowledge, and that is what I want to share with you guys. I'll share the whole inner aspect of how to navigate, how to make sales, how to get money, how to get do it on demand and tune. So that is the second reason. Let's go to another reason.